Hi everyone. Today we're going to study regression analysis. In regression analysis, we use the observations of the variables we are considering to calculate curve of best fit so that we can make estimates and predictions about the behavior of variables. To illustrate, we have here plots of points representing the data of two variables where one variable is considered x and the other is y. This line here describes the general direction of the points. This line is called regression line. With regard to regression line, the equation is y equals a plus bx. B here is the slope of the line. There are several methods for finding the equation of the line of best fit. One of the widely used methods is the least squares method. This is the formula to get this A. This is equal to the summation of y times the summation of x squared minus summation of x times summation of xy all over n times summation of x squared minus the square of summation of x, while the b equals n times summation of xy minus summation of x times summation of y all over n times summation of x squared minus the square of summation of x. N here is the number of pairs. Let us see this example. Calculate the regression equation and find the value of sales when odds is 7. Here we have a table with two columns. The first column is the variable x representing the number of odds, and the values are 2, 5, 8, 8, 10, and 12. The other column is for the variable y representing the sales, and the values are 2, 4, 7, 6, 9, 10, respectively. Let us begin our computation. First, let us get the total of each column. In here, we write summation of x equals 45, and the total of the second column is summation of y equals 38. In this problem, we need two additional columns. First additional column is for xy, which is the product of the x and y variables respectively. And the next column is for the x squared. We're going to get the square of each data of the x column. Let us start with xy. We have here 2 times 2 equals 4, 5 times 4 is 20, 8 times 7 is 56, 8 times 6 is 48, 10 times 9 is 90, 12 times 10 is 120. The total of this column is summation of xy, and this is equal to 338. For the last column for x square, we have these values. 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, 8 square is 64, another 8 square is 64, 100, 12 square is 144. The total of this column is summation of x square, and this is equal to 401. Let us now solve for the regression line. Y equals a plus bx. Here is the formula for a. Substituting the corresponding values, we have now a equals 38 times 401 minus 45 times 338. All over, the n is the number of pairs, so we write 6 times 401 minus 45 square. Simplifying this equation, we have 15,238 minus 15,210 in the numerator, while in the denominator, we have 2,406 minus 2,025. Simplifying the numerator and the denominator respectively, we have a equals 28 over 381, and the quotient will give 0.073. This is the value of a, and we're going to substitute this value here. Next, let us solve for b, and the formula is here now. Let us substitute the corresponding values. So b equals 6 times 338 minus 45 times 38 all over 6 times 401 minus 45 square. Simplifying this equation, we have 2028 minus 1710 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 2406 minus 2025. Simplifying the numerator and denominator respectively, we have now b equals 318 over 381. And the quotient will give us the value of b, and this is equal to 0.835. We will substitute this value in our equation. So we have now y equals 0.073 plus 0.835x. This is the regression line. Now, to find the value of sales when odds is 7, substitute 7 into this x. So we have now y equals 0.073 plus 0.835 times 7. Getting the product, we have 5.845. And the sum here will give the value of y, and this is equal to 5.918. So this is the expected value of sales when odds is 7. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.